In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the WordPress error uploading images step by step. If you've ever tried to upload an image to your WordPress media library and received an HTTP error or a message saying the upload failed, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and the good news is that it's usually easy to fix. I'll walk you through 5 proven solutions that work in most cases. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you, be sure to like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. Let's start with the first and simplest fix, renaming the image file. Many upload errors happen because the file name contains special characters like $signs, hashtags, ampersands, or accented letters such as ah or nya. WordPress and some servers don't handle these characters well. Before uploading your image, rename the file on your computer. Use only letters, numbers, and hyphens. Avoid spaces and special symbols. For example, instead of naming your file cafepoto1.png, rename it to something like cafepoto1.png. Once you've renamed the file, try uploading it again in your WordPress dashboard under Media. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue. If the problem continues, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Sometimes the error isn't actually coming from WordPress, but from outdated or corrupted browser data. Even after fixing the real issue, your browser might still display the HTTP error. To fix this, go into your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear cached images and files. After clearing the cache, close the browser completely and reopen it. Then log back into your WordPress dashboard and try uploading the image again. If you're still seeing the error, the issue might be caused by a plugin conflict. Some security plugins, firewall tools like Mod Security, or image optimization plugins can block image uploads. To test this, go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, and temporarily deactivate all plugins. Once they're deactivated, try uploading the image again. If the upload works, then one of your plugins is the problem. Reactivate them one by one, testing the upload each time until you find the plugin causing the conflict. Once identified, you can adjust its settings or replace it with an alternative. The fourth solution is to increase your PHP memory limit. WordPress requires memory to process image uploads, especially large files. If your site doesn't have enough memory allocated, uploads can fail. To fix this, access your website files using your Hosting File Manager, or FTP. Open the wp-config.php file, and just before the line that says Happy Publishing, add this line. Define, open parentheses, single quote, wp_memory_limit, single quote, comma, single quote, 256M, single quote, close parentheses, semicolon. Save the file and upload it back if needed. This increases your memory limit and often resolves upload errors. Finally, if none of those steps work, the issue may be related to WordPress using the wrong image processing library. WordPress uses either ImageMagick or the GD library to process images. If ImageMagick is failing on your server, you can force WordPress to use GD instead. To do this, go to your Active Themes Functions.php file. Add a filter that prioritizes WP Image Editor GD before WP Image Editor ImageMagick. Save the file and test your image upload again. Switching the image editor library can resolve compatibility issues on certain hosting environments. And that's it. Those are 5 effective ways to fix the WordPress error uploading images. Start with renaming your file, then clear your cache, check for plugin conflicts, increase your PHP memory limit, and finally switch the image processing library if necessary. One of these solutions will usually solve the problem. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tips, troubleshooting guides, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.